Let's draw two pictures of Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse together, and while drawing, I will tell you two beautiful stories about Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Mickey Mouse, the cheerful and adventurous cartoon character loved by children all over the world, decided to try something new one sunny afternoon: painting. He set up an easel in the backyard of his clubhouse, surrounded by jars of paint in every color imaginable. His friends Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, and Goofy gathered around to see what masterpiece he would create. Mickey dipped his brush into a bright red and started to paint a beautiful landscape full of rolling green hills, blue skies, and cheerful flowers. As Mickey worked, he realized that painting wasn't as easy as it looked. His first few strokes were messy, and paint splattered everywhere, even on Goofy's shoes. Goofy laughed and said, "Gosh, Mickey, looks like you're painting more than just the canvas." Mickey chuckled, wiping a dab of paint off his nose. Minnie, always supportive, suggested adding a big, yellow sun in the corner to brighten up the scene. With a smile, Mickey carefully painted a sun that seemed to shine on the whole picture. Soon, Donald got inspired and wanted to help. He grabbed a brush and started adding clouds, but true to his style, the clouds came out with funny, grumpy faces. Mickey and Minnie giggled at Donald's silly addition, while Goofy added tiny, playful birds flying in the sky. The friends laughed and joked, realizing that even if the painting wasn't perfect, it was full of fun and creativity. At the end of the day, Mickey looked at their work and felt proud. The painting was colorful, full of life, and had a touch of everyone's personality. "This is the best painting ever!" Mickey exclaimed. Not because it was flawless, but because it was made with all of his friends' love and laughter. The friends hung the painting inside the clubhouse as a reminder of their fun days spent creating together, proving that sometimes, the best art comes from teamwork and joy. Now let's go to painting Minnie Mouse and her interesting story. Minnie Mouse, known for her sweet and creative spirit, decided to host an art day at her cozy home. She invited all her friends for a fun afternoon of painting and drawing. The room was filled with bright canvases, jars of colorful paint, and brushes of every size. Minnie, wearing her signature polka dot bow, smiled and said, "Let's create something beautiful together." The friends cheered and picked up their brushes, excited to start their masterpieces. Minnie began painting a scene of a flower garden, full of blooming daisies and butterflies. Her strokes were graceful, and she added little hearts and stars to make it uniquely hers. As she painted, she shared tips with her friends, showing them how to draw simple shapes and blend colors. "Remember," she said, "art is all about having fun and expressing yourself." Her positive energy made everyone feel confident, even if their drawings weren't perfect. Daisy Duck decided to paint a picture of the sky at sunset, and Clarabelle drew a funny portrait of Goofy that made everyone laugh. Minnie looked around, her heart full of joy as she saw her friends enjoying themselves. The room buzzed with chatter and giggles, and splashes of color decorated not just the canvases but their hands and faces, too. Minnie's Art Day was more than just a drawing for kids event. It was a celebration of creativity and friendship. By the end of the day, Minnie had finished her beautiful painting, which shone with bright yellows, soft blues, and pops of pink. She stepped back, admired everyone's work, and said, "Each of your paintings is special because it shows who you are." The friends clapped and hugged, proud of what they had made. Minnie hung her own piece in her living room as a reminder of the fun day filled with laughter, paint, and friendship. It was a day that inspired them all to keep drawing and painting, no matter what. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.